Welcome to Dessert Planet. Three eggs. 1½ cups of sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Sufficient enouf saffron. Encourages us with subscribe and turning on notifications. Stir until mixed and creamy. Two-thirds cup of liquid oil. A glass of pumpkin puree. 1/3 cup of yogurt. Two tablespoons of baking powder. 2 cups of flour. Add sifted flour and baking powder in several steps and stir until mixed. Mix and add your favorite nuts. Grease the desired mold well and place it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 40 minutes. Thanks for watching.